Alright, I get it, bro. You know, you've been trying and trying and trying so hard to get girls, man, and it just is not working out. You've been texting them constantly non-stop. I know what it's like, bro, whenever you text, whenever you text load of girls and they just either don't reply back to you or they just leave you unread, or they'll give you some sort of dry reply where the conversation dies instantly and they just show simply no interest. For me, I was a virgin right up till I was about 20 years old, man. And it took me a long time to really sort of understand how to actually attract women and actually get girls and get success with girls. And I can proudly say now that I'm in my first relationship because I implemented these actual methods that I'm going to tell you right now. I should be putting this fucking shit in a course, honest to God. This applies to the people who, like I said, maybe have broken up with an ex-girlfriend. Maybe you've been seeing that girl for a few months and she's just lost interest in you. Or maybe simply you just want to attract women in general. Maybe you're not texting anybody and you don't have any ex-girlfriends and you just simply want to attract women in the first place. These few tips that I'm going to give you are going to drastically improve your success rate with women, massively. This will get girls that rejected you in the past, and it will get them coming back to you by doing this. My girlfriend I have at the minute, I implemented these same steps, and she came back to me within a few years. All right, this is some incredible crap right here. The reason why you suck so much with girls, bro, is that you're not mysterious. You need to build mystery about yourself, okay? Now, I'm not going to waste your time, right? And I'm going to tell you exactly how to do that. In terms of if this is a girl that you do want to get coming back to you, what you need to do is you need to delete her off all social medias, right? Don't be that loser who keeps her on social media and keeps texting her and liking her photos and shit, showing interest and still showing that you're going to be there for her. It's horse crap. Don't listen to society whenever they tell you about that sort of crap. It's bullshit. Delete her off social media completely, off every social media. And what I want you to do is I want you to hit the goddamn gym, build yourself up, okay? Work on yourself and do all that so that whenever she does meet you again and bump into you again, right, she will see the complete different version of yourself. She will see the version of you who is jacked. She will see the version of you that has focused on his looks, his body language, who's more confident, who has more money, and all of that. And in her head, that will create such a level of intrigueness and mysteriousness about you. Now, also, if you are a guy who this isn't about having a girl coming back to you, just simply want to attract girls, what you want to do, bro, is you want to stop texting girls dead, crap, boring one-line openers. Stop asking a girl how she is. Stop asking a girl questions because you're just every other generic loser. Bro, honest to God, you do not understand. There was one time I was seeing this girl, right? And I was on her phone, right? I literally was banging her that night. And I was in her phone, on her DMs, right? We were laughing. And I was on her Tinder. And I just seen 40 guys all saying the same crap. Hey, how are you, babe? Hey, you look hot. This same shite, generic one-line openers, bro, that it's just every girl looks at and laughs at. Next time you're on Tinder or you're on Instagram or you're texting a girl, I want you to think that the next time you send her one boring-ass line like that, she's banging some fella who's probably looking at those DMs that you sent her and laughing. This is genuinely the crap that so many guys don't know about, that they'll be texting this girl going, oh, please give me validation, please be attracted to me, and she's literally getting rid by some chad. That's the sad reality of the world, bro. If you don't want to be like that, what you need to do is, if there's a girl that you want to attract, right? If you're on Tinder or on any one of those stupid degenerate apps that, I made a video previously about why you shouldn't go on Tinder, but if you want to watch that, go ahead. But pretty much, if you are degenerate and you do just simply want to lose your virginity, or you just want to have a higher body count, or you just want to bang girls, what you need to do, bro, is that if you're the type of guy who, first of all, you need to be working on your looks. But let's say you're doing all that, right? Let's say most men are doing that at the minute. Let's say you are doing that, and you go on Tinder and you're texting a girl. Stop sending, like I said, instead of sending her boring ass one-line openers, send her stuff like, how tall are you on your knees? The photo, or say something like, your first photo on your profile picture looks nice, although I can't decide if it looks better on you or my bedroom floor. Something, shit like that, bro, stands out so differently from other guys that she'll reply to you. Now, sometimes girls will reply being a bit cocky and a bit of a dick, But the ones who reply in a sort of positive way, where they'll like, you know, they'll go along with it, or they'll flirt along with it, they're the ones who are interested. Once you've done that, and if girls start asking you questions about like, what do you do for work and what do you do and shit like that there, so instead of saying that you're a plumber or you're a janitor or you work behind a bar or some crap like that, don't stop telling her everything about your life, bro. You know, stop telling girls everything about your life. Instead of saying those sort of things, say it in a very vague way. So if you're somebody who's like, if you're somebody who is a plumber or whatever, or you're a mechanic, for example, right? Instead of saying you're a mechanic and you fix cars, say you fix things for people. Women love mystery. See, whenever you play these little teasing games with them where you tease them and you start like saying things like that there, like, it drives them crazy. It builds a certain level of mystery about you that they create in their head, and it's a fantasy. If you can get a woman to fantasize about you, bro, she will literally, like, she will want to fuck you non-stop. And this is the sort of shit no YouTubers are talking about, because half of them don't even know about this, or the others are just soft pussies and can't even admit it. Women, like, you do not understand, bro. Once you start playing with a woman's mind in a very sort of flirty way, in a very, to tease them, women, it drives them crazy. So if a girl's attracted in you, and then you build and you follow that up with being mysterious, it is near impossible for you to screw it up. Be a lot more restricted, be a lot more secretive about it, and be a lot more playful with it, and don't sort of give all the information out straight away. Give her little sprinkles here and there. And over time, bro, she will literally want to fuck you so bad. You can thank me later whenever this does work. Don't waste your time looking back. We're not going that way.